how to connect AirPods to PC and laptop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your settings over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to our Bluetooth and devices option. Over here, you should be able to find Bluetooth and devices over here in the center. Simply click on add device and click on Bluetooth over here. Now, make sure that your AirPods is opened and ready to pair, and it should appear over here as one of the Bluetooth options that our device or our laptop or PC could connect to. Now, if that is not working, maybe your Bluetooth driver is not updated. So what you're going to search is Bluetooth drivers, and you're going to simply update your Bluetooth driver over here. You could easily install and download any of the latest drivers for Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth on your device, and you could then restart your device. What I suggest is you shut it down for 30 seconds and then turn it on so that your driver would automatically be applied or will function properly after you update it. But anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.